Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you 7 tips to improve your communication skills. Most people lose the biggest opportunities in life simply because they don't know how to express themselves. It's not about talent or intelligence. It's about communication. To prove this, an experiment was done. A student was asked to give a speech without any communication training. The words were there, but the delivery was messy, unclear, and full of nervous energy. There was no confidence, no structure, and no impact. After a few days of proper communication training, the same student gave another speech. This time, the message was clear, the voice was calm, and the confidence was obvious. The difference was shocking. The person was the same, but the way they spoke completely changed how they were perceived. This shows one simple truth. Communication skills don't change what you say. They change how people see you. In this video, we're breaking down the exact communication techniques that help you speak with confidence in every area of life. Whether it's personal relationships, the workplace, or public speaking, these methods will help you present your thoughts clearly and powerfully. The first method is the 3P rule. The first P is pause. It sounds simple, but top speakers and stand-up comedians treat pauses as their strongest weapon. When you pause while speaking, the listener's curiosity increases. It creates space for reaction and makes your words more engaging. Silence, when used correctly, adds power to your voice. The second P is pace. This means how fast or slow you speak. Talking too fast confuses people. Talking too slowly makes them bored. The goal is a balanced, natural speed. Your pace carries your message. Control it, and your message lands better. The third P is pitch. Speak calmly most of the time, but raise your pitch slightly when something important comes up. Changes in pitch add emotion to your words. When your pitch rises at the right moment, all attention shifts to you. Use pitch wisely, or your speech will sound flat and forgettable. The second technique is empathy. This means understanding the other person from their point of view, in their language, at their level. Great speakers always adjust their tone to match their audience. When leaders, teachers, or spiritual speakers talk, they don't just speak. They connect. They read the room and adapt their style so the audience feels understood. Empathy is not just listening. It's feeling what the other person feels. If someone says they failed an exam, empathy is not giving advice immediately. Empathy is first understanding their disappointment, their stress, and their emotional state. When you respond from that place, your words feel real and comforting. The third technique is voice control and tone. Your words matter less than how you say them. Different tones create different emotions. An energetic tone shows excitement. A firm tone shows authority. A flat tone creates seriousness. An ironic tone can create dominance or humor. Learning to control your voice pitch, speed, and energy keeps listeners engaged and emotionally connected. Observe movies and great speakers. Notice how they play with words and silence. The fourth technique is physical speech training. Ever noticed how some people speak very clearly on stage? One reason is tongue flexibility. Not everyone has it naturally, but it can be trained. A simple exercise is placing a pencil between your teeth and practicing full pronunciation. This strengthens articulation and makes words sound clearer and sharper. Clear speech instantly improves how confident you sound. The fifth technique is the name effect. The most attractive word to the human brain is its own name. Using someone's name during a conversation instantly grabs attention and builds connection. That's why brands use this trick so effectively. When you include a person's name while speaking, the conversation feels personal and meaningful. Instead of saying, "Nice to meet you," add their name. It makes them feel valued. The sixth technique is real practice. Communication cannot be mastered by reading books or watching videos alone. It's a practical skill. The first step is recording yourself daily for 4 to 5 minutes. Talk about any topic. Then review it in 2 ways. First, listen with the screen off and focus only on your voice. Then watch without sound and observe your body language. Do this for 7 days, and you'll feel the change. The second step is mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself. It may feel awkward, but this is your first audience. Mirror practice doubles confidence and naturally improves body language. The third step is talking to strangers. Start small. Talk to shopkeepers, drivers, or classmates you normally ignore. Simple greetings are enough. Don't chase perfection. Just practice daily. In 1 month, your tone, clarity, and expressions will level up. The seventh technique is echoing. This is perfect for people who don't know what to say during conversations. When someone speaks, pick one keyword or short phrase and gently repeat it before adding your thought. If someone says they love traveling, respond by repeating the word traveling and then ask a related question. This shows you're listening, makes the other person feel understood, and naturally keeps the conversation flowing. It creates genuine connection, not fake interest. Next time someone talks, don't stay silent. Repeat one key line and add your thought. You'll notice people enjoying conversations with you more because they feel heard. But remember, communication alone isn't enough. How you stand, your eye contact, facial expressions, and posture matter even more than words. All of this together creates a confident and powerful presence. That's why mastering body language is essential if you want to truly stand out.